And on the eighth day, God said, "Let there be fucking air pressure." So, what the hell is air pressure anyway? Well, air pressure just means that air is pressing on everything it touches. Let's switch it up. This is Jeremy. Jeremy is surrounded by air. So, the air is exerting a pressure all around him. Now, this little red shit stain has a superpower. Jeremy can manipulate the air pressure around him, increasing it or decreasing it at will. So let's say Jeremy wants to move this way. Where should he increase the air pressure? Yeah, right behind him. Now let's say Jeremy wants to move the same way by decreasing the pressure. Where should he do that? This time it should be in front of him. Jeremy can move a direction by increasing or decreasing the pressure. All that matters is that one side has more pressure than the other. Look at you, so fucking smart. Alright, so more pressure, less pressure, who gives a shit? Stay with me here. There's a couple more things about air that you gotta remember. Yeah, it's got pressure, but it's also got velocity. Speed. You can't have one and the other. So a faster moving air has a lower pressure, and a slower moving air has a higher pressure. It's called Bernoulli's principle for any of you fucking nerds out there. Alright, young shits, one more thing about air. Air has to be equal throughout the continuum, which means if we take high pressure air, put it next to low pressure air, they will try to equalize and meet the same pressure. In other words, air cannot exist next to a vacuum without trying to equalize. Remember that. Alright, let's design an airplane. Let's start by trying to make this flat plate go up. Where do you want more pressure? Right, underneath. Well, it's tough to make a pressure differential without moving air, so let's assume the airplane is moving through the air. We'll worry about how to do that later. No pressure differential yet. Let's rotate the plate. Remember when you were a little shit kid putting your hand out of the car window? The same thing's happening. The air below the plate is slowing down, increasing the pressure. Now, the air above the plate is a little more complicated. See, the air wants to ramp off the plate and fly off into fucking space. But this would create a region void of air, or a vacuum. And we just learned that a vacuum would want to equalize with the other air around it. So instead, the air above the plate gets yanked into this region, accelerating down the back side of the plate. Accelerates. The air is going faster. Now remember, faster air, lower pressure. You can see where this is going. Lower pressure on top, higher pressure on bottom. The plate moves up. Great. So let's keep angling the plate, and we'll get more lift. Wait. Fucking stop. God fucking damn it. Now the flow's separated. A separated flow is not good at lift. And you can see the force is pointing backwards. That's drag. Drag is lift backwards, slowing the airplane down. Slower airplane means less airflow. Less airflow means less lift. And, well, less lift means we're not flying. Let's try a more efficient shape. This is called an airfoil. It should help accelerate the flow over the wing without having to angle it so much. Hell yes, this is what we're looking for. The air is nicely flowing over the wing, creating lift just like we wanted. And just like that, we've made a wing. But how do we make our airplane move forward? Well, let's take our wing shape and spin it around. The spinning makes the air flow over the wing, which makes it lift. You've seen this before, it's called a propeller. Now, I know it looks like a helicopter right now, but say we point it forwards. So, just like that, we can move the airplane in any direction. So using air pressure alone and a little bit of geometry, we can make things fly. For now, that's all you need to know. Let's put this all together.